Pulling plastics. Pulling them up current. Waiting for a bite. Just so happens that we both prefer to get our Canadian stuff, which is nice. Get a little real estate that isn't combed over with a fine-tooth comb. Hanging. Rainbow unicorn. Need a little bit of rainbow unicorn. It's the big mamas. Dog you.
Oh my gosh. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Are you serious?
Look at this guy.
Oh. Look at the belly on that thing.
She is fat.
My goodness. She is not long at all, really.
Oh my gosh. You get her?
Hailed that big paddle tail swim bait. We were just saying we should pitch him back behind the boat. Wow. Unbelievable. Get a few pictures and we'll get her back.
Yeah.
What a fish. Holy cow. Scout. Dude, that's like 27, but like 10 pounds. I ain't kidding.
Yeah. Not quite. 28 and a half. 28 and 3/4.
A beast. That thing is the Hunchback of Notre Dame.
She's full.
Is ridiculous.
She's full.
Oh, bye, sweetheart. What a fish.
Down.
Woo! Yes! I'll take that as my first one. We got a pattern dialed.
First one, baby.
Heck yeah. On the plastique. Ooh, things are gonna get wild. I am feeling good. We're feeling optimistic.
Coming off, that's for sure.
No, when they eat it, they don't mess around. Big Mama's house. Ooh, there's one hugging tight to the bottom. Yep. Find the right speed.
Yo, cranky baity.
Husky.
Husky.
Nice.
Husky.
Take it. Anytime you can catch them more ways than one, I
20.
like that. 20?
Just shy.
Actually going. Never mind. Bigger than that. Not bad, Alan.
All right.
But it is a walleye. That it is. They're getting bigger. The jig and plastic bite slowed down quite a bit, so we're adjusting. I think we finally kind of dialed something in too. Hole and cranks. Three-way and cranks. Kawa.
out there.
Another crankbait victim. Saugers want to play too. I'm talking to myself. Do that often, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, it happens. We all do it.
All the same size. Huh? T-boning them. T-boning the cranks. Hey. We just caught more fish here than we have today. So, take going, yeah. Oh, day 2. Fishing the Rainy River. Hoping for a big fish day since we found all the males we could need yesterday. So, swinging for the fences. Big fish only. See what happens. Yeah, I was way out there.
Oh, I just freaking missed one below the boat.
Did ya? Man. Nice. Either side's first.
Two casts, 2 fish. You had
Right.
4 casts, 3
Yep.
fish.
Just finding that seam. What the better?
But just munched it.
Oh yeah, that one wasn't getting off. Nice fish.
That.
Gone.
Isn't that big enough? Actually, let's switch sides.
Woo! It's a start. That's a start. We'll take that. Ah, nice walleye. Finally getting on some more females. She crushed that bait. I put like a foot of slack in my line. It's perky walleye. Sweet. Oh, back you go, sweetheart. Oh, and your mama. Woo. Get another one.
Just reeling in walleyes, that's what we do.
Preferably.
Preferably.
Not all the time. Sometimes.
Sometimes it works out like that.
Looks like a decent fish.
Yeah. Nothing like dragging them in.
Skip them in the net. They're definitely confined to a tight little nook and cranny here. So, seems like every time we transition from what, 15 and a half to 14,
Yeah.
they're just kind of sitting on top of that. So, see if we get bit. So long. A little bend in her. Got some weight. Good head shakes. Oh yeah. Oh buddy! Oh, we needed that one.
Yes, sir.
We needed that one. Oh,
Right in the snoot.
nice fish.
Thank you, sir.
Thick.
Look at that, baby.
Perky. Man, they're stout. Get a quick picture.
Yep.
Big head shakes.
I'm gonna grab the big net. Huh?
Maybe she just. I thought it was way bigger than that. Whew. Walleyes in the rain. Gotta love that. They are just
Healthy.
girthy McGirthersons. All right,
Quick pick.
quick pick.
Ready?
Back she goes. And a kick. Sweet. I like this. This is fun. Let's get another one. Oh, that might be bigger than 23, huh?
Maybe.
Oh. Stout. Nice fish. What's wrong with that? Man, playing in the rain just like a little kid. Look at that. That's kind of goofy.
Yeah.
Huh.
Would you? Do you just want to copy? Do you just want to copy? Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, I don't have reception. It won't let me load it up.
Beauty.
Thanks. Yep. Bye.
Had to move. Jeez. 5-inch plastic. You can't even see the thing. Gone. 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 Wait till you see the size of this bait. If I can get it out. Just choking it.
Good. No. Bacon's.
Yeah. Grief. Another fat mama, full of eggs. Get her back. Let her do her thing.
It's fun when they hit good.
Quick release. If you don't have jalapeno Cheetos, you ain't gonna get them, right?
Truth.
Good luck. Should start biting any minute.
Cheetos.
Told you big walleyes like Cheetos.
26. Tad over 26. Back you go, big mama. She's ready.
You ready to rock?
Oh, there you go, sweetheart.
How does that make you feel?
Tingly.
Tingly?
Yeah, all over. So with the crankbaits, we just got a three-way A three-way
A
whip.
freeway wig.
A three-way rig.
A freeway.
A free wagon wide. Three-way rig with a three-way swivel with a dropper line to a. Anthony's got a 1.5 ounce weight. I got a 2 ounce weight. It's about a foot, 14-inch dropper line with what, 4 to 5 foot lead. Some husky jerks or shallow running crankbaits. White seems to be the ticket this morning, but blue, white, anything flashy, anything that makes little noise, get the job done. Go on another pass, see if we can get a bagging. Alright, another pass. What are you doing, Anthony?
I got a little something over here for you.
Well, let's see it. Go!
Oh, look at that.
Just doubled over the trolling rod, crushed the crank.
Hog belly.
That is a giant.
Let's send her back. 29.5. Oh, she's already ready. Look at that. Gone.
Yes. Rainy River, big walleyes. And we got some big walleyes today. There we go. Just walking in the door from the Rainy River. Back in Bemidji, home sweet home. What a fishery. What else can I say? Every spring, it's the same deal. You get a solid week or two if you're lucky. Unfortunately, the bite is pretty much over at this point in the season. By the time this actually comes out, there'll only be a couple days left of that early walleye season. A lot of the tributaries broke loose. There's water flowing in, bunch of debris, and the current flow has really increased. So that makes things very difficult to get out there and catch those big walleyes, but they're still there. Just a lot of challenges to try to catch them is all. So if you have the chance, definitely get up to the Rainy River. Awesome place, world class, amazing fishery, tons of big walleyes, big fat pre-spawn fish, and a lot of them. So they say that roughly 10% of the fish in Lake of the Woods actually run up the river to spawn. So when you put it in that perspective, it's pretty amazing. So Anthony and I had one heck of a time. So already looking forward to next year. We'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching Krafty Chronicles. As always, please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time.